Hi everyone, happy Thursday. Let's take a look at what you've got in the Thursday, May 21 folder. So the first thing you're working on are your math assignments. That's got a number 1 next to it. The second thing you're going to do is your Pebble Go Next scavenger hunt if it's not already finished and it hasn't been checked by me yet. So if you already did the scavenger hunt and you got feedback from me, then you're ready to move on to number 3, which is your Pennsylvania project. If your project is finished, then you'll move on to sending me a message to let me know. And what I'm going to do is send you a checklist to make sure that you've included everything that's required in your project. If you're someone who hasn't started your project, it is due next week on Friday, May 29th. And if you haven't chosen your place yet, then that's why you haven't received your template from me. So please make sure to check your messages about the details of that project. If you're in the middle of working on it, keep going. You have the rest of this week and the next week to finish. Okay, so after social studies, click number 4 so that you can do Mrs. White's assignment for art. Everything after that is going to either apply to certain people or going to be optional. So make sure that you take care of ELL, MTSS Band Orchestra, and Mrs. Diggins' assignments, and then move into checking Cinco's feed, make sure that you practice your typing skills, and then you can do those optional activities. Also, if you haven't done Miss Checo's survey yet, find that link in this folder so that you can do that survey. Don't forget about the groups at the top of the page. Those groups are Miss Checo's, Mrs. Hensel's, and the nurses. Okay, that's it for this video. I will talk to you later.